Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I'll show you how to fix no sound during calls on Honor 200 Smart. So first, we have to restart our phone before we start doing anything in it. So basically a simple restart often clears those temporary glitches that may be affecting the call audio. So how do you restart your phone? It's pretty easy. Just hold the power button. Now don't mind Gemini popping up. Simply click restart and touch again to restart your phone. Now all we have to do is just wait for it to restart, and then you can try and make a test call to your friend and see if those glitches stopped. So now, as you guys can see, my phone is turned back on, which means what I have to do is check the call volume. So how do I do that? Basically press the volume up button. Now click the gear icon in here and go over settings. Here we click show more, and here we will have calls. Now make sure that it's set up to 300%. And now if this still didn't help, then what we can do is disconnect Bluetooth and any wired headphones. As you guys can see, we have Bluetooth turned off now, but if it's turned on, then simply disable it just by clicking on the icon. And now here we will also have the wired headphones. We can use the USB-C headphones. As you guys can see, it will go through the charging port or the 3.5mm jack. So we have two options. Make sure that both of those ports are not being used for the time of texting. And if this still didn't work, then try and look for the headphone mode. Basically what a headphone mode is when your phone thinks that it's connected to a device even though it's not. So now what you guys can do is restart the phone again, but you don't have to. Simply ensure that you turned off Bluetooth completely and disconnected every single wired headphones or everything from every port. Now, if this still didn't work, then maybe try and clean the earpiece speaker, because dust or lint blocking the earpiece can cause no sound during calls, or the sound will be muffly. So use a software for it, or try to blow it out with the compressed air carefully to clean the top speaker area, and don't use anything sharp because it will only make things worse. So if all of those steps didn't work for you, then you can check sound settings and do not disturb. Basically all you have to do is go over to the control center. Here make sure that the do not disturb is, let me show you guys, not enabled. Now it is, but when we turn it off it will be gray and it will be turned off. So yeah, now you can go over to settings. Here go to sounds and vibration and make sure that it's off here. The sound mode is set to sound, and here you will have like sound quality and effects. Here you will be able to adjust it. I recommend using the standard. And here in the more settings we will have nothing that interests us, so don't look here. But yeah, here make sure that the sound mode is set to sound, and this is actually it from the settings. Now if this didn't work, then try and update your system software, because sometimes they can fix those audio bugs when they are on your phone. So go over to settings. Here scroll down and select system and updates. Click on software update, and here it's checking for the update. Let me check again to make sure that I'm running the latest version. Yes, I am. So you guys should run the latest version of the software, because the old versions may have some glitches in them, like the no audio during calls. So yeah, now if all of those steps didn't work, then I'm sorry, but we have to factory reset the phone. So first we go to backup and restore. Here we will back up our data so we don't lose everything. Now we go to reset, and here click to reset the phone. Now we will reset the phone, and then it should work after the reset. But if it's still not working, then I recommend checking it out at the professional service to get more professional diagnose. And yeah, that'd be it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.